It's a SUNBEAM Talbot 1946 1185cc 10 horse tourer. It's a side valve engine. I bought it from a garage in Lee. They bought it as a complete car and stripped it down. I think they must have terrified themselves. It sat in storage from 1979 till 96, and in 96 I had a window from work to do some work on it, so I'd refurbished the chassis. Needed, apart from sandblasting, very little welding on it. Repainted the chassis, stripped the engine, the gearbox, the back axle, the suspension, the brakes, the steering box, and I refurbished all that myself. It's a struggle to get that in.
Yeah.
You've got to force that underneath to get it in. That's the storage area for all the
weather gear.
This, yeah. the envelope, and then the side screens and door panels go under there. Well, this model of distributor is unique to SUNBEAM Talbots, this Lucas one, and they weren't producing the electronic plate for this particular model till I got in touch with them, and they said, well, we can modify one to fit it, and they sent me that back free of charge. It's a good starter, it runs well, and the biggest problem with points is the heel wears on the points. I used to set the gaps a bit wide. Didn't run quite as good as I wanted it to then, but after a week's running, it was running perfect.